everybody, and today I've got some news here. I'm replacing my printer. I've had for 10 years now, and it was an Epson 3880, and it's been well served, but time to replace it. And one of the reasons was that it was the ink head had broken with the pressure and then gave up on me, so I'm replacing it with a new P900 Epson. But as you can see, I've got a great spot for it there. I've got a cover. Now the cover is still going to work on the P900. Also, I've got some, not the inks. Inks won't work, but the I have this, the maintenance cartridge will also work with the new P900. So this was for the Epson 3880, but it'll work on the P900 also. So that was one of the reasons why I'm going to kind of stick with that and replace it. So, but let me show you what the printer looks like here. Hold on. So as you can see, the printer is basically, it's like brand new. There really is nothing wrong with that, other than, you know, we've got the printer head has gave up the ghost on it. So I'm going to put it back in here, the new slot. This slides out for me here. All the cables go back over to my computer. Everything works really well. So, but this is it. And so this is being tossed out, as they say. I'm going to replace the inks and give it to some of my friends. I've got a few used cartridges in there, so we'll use that up. So there it is, the P900 Epson, sitting in the box, and just getting ready to open it up and have a look. Okay, so let's crack this open. See what we got here. Okay. Yeah, lots of goodies in here. Let's have a look. Open this up. All the parts and pieces, nicely boxed. What is this here? Oh, looks like a booklet or something. Not sure what this is. Let's have a look. It's all the wiring. Okay. It's the books, instructions, some other, oh, for the disc rollers, inks. So that's how the inks are all laid out here. So there's all the inks. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 inks. Booklets. So yeah, we'll get them in. So what I liked about the P900, it has the same footprint as the 3880. It fits into my slot that I had custom built for printing, and so it just works. And I'm going to take this all apart, put it together, and then I'll show you at the end, all completed. Okay, let's start taking stuff apart here, opening it up, and yeah, all these blue tapes have to come off and open. This one opens up here. Take these off all the way around. It just, yeah, it's amazing how somebody figured out how to do all this stuff and putting it together. But here, so that one there, I don't know where that one goes, but okay. Yeah, I'm sure there's a kind of a method to all this. But let's just take it all apart. Okay, so all this over here. More blue underneath here. Oh, underneath here, the trays. So undo all the trays. Underneath here. Lots and lots of stuff on it. Okay. And here. That back in. A magnet for the door. That's in there. Okay, so let's have a boo here. Where is this? For the print head. Okay, it comes this way. Okay, down there. Okay, we got that. A little tight spot. I don't know how this comes here. That one. And this here. Oh. AB. So AB, something AB will go in there. I don't know what AB is yet. Oh, wires. Okay, wires are going to go there. Wires go through the back. Okay, let me just go in here. Pull this up. This comes off. This comes off there. Comes off there. That comes off there. So that should be, all the tape should be off. Now I need wires. So I have these. Now this is also wireless. It's a wireless printer, but I'm going to also plug in my wire, make it, I'm going to turn this around so we get the wires in there nicely. Make sure we get it in proper. Oh, there's some more blue tape in the back. That in spot, get that off. And there. I think that should do it, all the blue. So, okay, so that. The USB. Come on. Huh. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the USB. Don't leave you much room here to put stuff in. Let's have a look not sure what's going to come with these now. Let's have a look at wires. So this will probably be some of the stuff coming here. This is power outage outlet. Okay, that goes there. All right, I see that. The setup is the longest part on these to do. Okay, hold that. Push that in firmly. That's in. So I got this. Close that. Print. What this is, let's have a look. My little knife. Okay. No idea what this is. Okay, so let's have a look. It's Epson maintenance box. Huh. Okay, so maintenance box. Where does the maintenance box go? Open. Huh. There it is there. Maintenance box. Where do we put the maintenance box? Let me get my glasses and have a look. Okay, out there. Oh, okay. The maintenance box goes out here. It's already one in there. Huh. I got two maintenance boxes. Okay. Huh. I guess it's a spare. Epson Seiko. Yeah. Maintenance box. Okay. Spare one. Okay, well, we'll keep that. And I think we got everything ripped apart as best as we could. I'm not a big one for following instructions, but let's have a look. All foreign. Junk. Okay, so the LAN and USB cables go there. I don't have. Okay, so this is it here. The USB. That doesn't fit that way. Flip around that way. So, oh, tight spot. Okay, so that's in there. I don't have a LAN. Close that. Let's just have a look here. Okay. And it does slide in there quite nice. Let's try my cover. I want to try my cover, make sure the cover works for it. So, yeah. Oh, perfect. Whoa. Look at that. It's a little bit bigger, but keeps the dust off, so that works. All right, I like that. I'm happy about that part. Okay, so let's have a look here. The top. I gotta put the inks in, so let's put the inks in. Okay. Okay, we have the Epson yellow. Let's put that in, take that out. And these are, let's see how many mils there are. They don't say how many milliliters these, but yeah, so they don't say the milliliters. That goes in there, yellow. Yeah, some of this plastic is tough plastic. Vivid light magenta. Okay, so that goes there. Vivid light magenta. Oh, okay. This one's light cyan. Goes there. And we have a violet. They got a violet now. So put that in there. The violet goes there. And we got a light gray. A light gray goes there. And we've got cyan, goes there. Vivid magenta. Goes there. Okay, all right. Getting there slowly. Three more inks left. The gray goes there. Everything's got its spot. Okay, see if I get this off my hand. Okay. That one goes there, MK, matte, and then this is the PK, the photo black. Okay, so all the inks are in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inks. All done, ready to go. Let's close this up. Throw out some of this junk in there. So. Okay, so initializing, from the looks of it, takes about 15 minutes. So it says don't open any covers till it's all done, so we'll wait. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Here's the completed Epson P900 printer sitting in the spot. Now, what I wanted to show you is that I've got a Toomey cover that was on my Epson 3880, and it fits the P900, which is basically why I wanted it. Was it's the same footprint, and so it just works wonderful, you know. So, yeah, take that cover off, And let me show you what we've got here with the P900. I've got the cable over here. Let me plug that in. So I got the cable. I've got a cord here for USB to my printer or to my computer, but I don't really need it. So let's just turn this on. I'm going to show you how it's working. Cover goes over. You can leave that over, just keep the dust out, but I have the cover on it, so I leave that open and just put my cover on. We're ready to go. It's got a little kind of a display. You can turn it. You can see how it kind of flips up, and you know, so now it's got feature some okay, so you can register. No, I don't want to register. Let's check later. Okay. So anyway, so it's all ready to go. There's a little front. It's warm. It usually does a little kind of a warm-up session in here. But I wanted to show you some of the prints that I've done with this. This is a 5x7. I've done that here, and it came out just incredible. I've also done another black and white 5x7 of my Fuji X100, and it's just incredible images it prints. And one more photo here. I did another black and white of historic fishnet loft. This is where the old fishermen used to dry their nets, in this loft and repair them. So it's historic out in Steveston. So I've got that. And so those are 5x7s, but you can do from 4x6 on up to that size there, 17x22. That's one of my prints up there that you can print off. There's another one up there. That's a 17x22. These are all 13x19. Down here, 12 inch. And again, over here. So we've got quite a range of print size that that particular printer can do. So hopefully you'll like it. But that's all I wanted to show, is just basically the printing of it, what it can do and how.